My topic is fractional knapsack. It comes under greedy strategy. Now we see what is this problem. In this we have a knapsack or a bag with capacity M. And we are having n objects and each object I has weight. Wi has some weight and some profit, Pi. Now our objective is what is our objective? Our objective is to fill knapsack in such a way that profit should maximized. Formally I can state my problem as maximizes profit where I lies from 1 to n, but subject to weight of knapsack shouldn't exceed your knapsack capacity, and your xi lies between 0 to 1. We'll see with the help of example. Suppose we have 3 items, n is equal to 3, knapsack capacity is given, that is equal to 20, profit of each item is also given, that is equal to 25, 24 and 15, and weight of all 3 items is given, that is 18, 15 and 10. Now first we calculate profit by weight of each item. Let's see how we calculate. Suppose we make a chart like this. We have 3 items, 1, 2, 3, and profit is also given, that is 25, 24, 15, and weight is also mentioned here, that is equal to 18, 15 and 10. Now I will calculate profit by weight of each item. So 25 by 18, 24 by 15 and 15 by 10. So if I calculate, the value is 1.38, 1.6 and 1.5. Now I see P by W2 is greater than P3 by W3 is greater than W1. Now I have to fill my knapsack and my goal is to achieve maximum profit, and knapsack capacity is also given here, that is equal to 20. So how I'll fill? I'll consider that weight that have maximum profit by weight value. So in our scenario, item number 2 has maximum P by profit by W value, and what is the weight of item number 2? That is equal to 15. So I have to check this 15 should be less than your knapsack capacity. So 15 is less than your knapsack capacity. So I can accommodate this full item into my knapsack. So I have accommodated this weight 2, that is equal to 15, in my knapsack. What is my left out space here is 5. 5 units are left. Now next item, so this is my solution vector that I have to calculate. So I have put full item into my knapsack, that is object number 2. So that would be 1. 1 means full concentration. Now I will consider another item that has profit by weight value. Now in our scenario, item number 3 has 1.5 profit by weight value. So I will consider this profit by weight value for item number 3 is greater than item number 1. So I will consider item number 3 first. So what is the weight of item number 3? That is equal to 10. And my left out space in my knapsack is 5. So this full item cannot be accommodated in my knapsack. So I have to put fraction of this item into knapsack. So how to calculate fraction? That is equal to remaining weight of knapsack divided by weight of object. So what is the remaining weight of knapsack? That is equal to 5. What is the weight of object? That is equal to 10. So what would be the fraction? 1 by 2. So I have to put half of this weight into my knapsack. So calculate 10 divided by 2, 5. So I can put 5 units in my knapsack. Now my knapsack is full. I cannot accommodate another item into my knapsack. So I have considered half of part, means 0.5 part of object number 3. So I have taken partial consideration. Now knapsack is full. I cannot accommodate another item. So item number 0 is cannot accommodated. So no consideration. So this is my solution vector. This means I have not considered item number 1. I have considered item number 2 fully, and item number 3, that is partial, that I have considered half of the weight of item number 3. So now I have to calculate maximum profit. That would be equal to Pi Xi 1 to n. And what is my X that I have calculated earlier? That is profit is given. So calculate this. That is equal to 25 into 0.0 plus 24 into 1.0 plus 15 into 0.5. That would 0 plus 24 that is my. Now I have filled my knapsack and I have earned maximum profit of 31.5 units. Thank you.